Hey, let's start by heading to Docker Hub, hub.docker.com, and search for near protocol. You'll find a near protocol / near core image with an image for each commit made to the master branch. There are also release tags here like release candidate or 2.6.5 stable release, which I'll be showing you today. So make sure the Docker is installed, then pull the latest stable version available in the releases. The latest stable near-core version is 2.6.5. Let's pull that in. Since I'm on macOS with ARM64 architecture, I'll specify the -- platform parameter. For platform, I'll choose Linux AMD64 because the image was pre-built for this platform. It should work the same on Windows, Linux, and macOS, so it is safe to use this parameter everywhere. When running, I need to specify the platform here too and enable interactive terminal. In my situation, I don't want to keep any data between the runs, but if you wish to preserve data, specify -v and set the folder where you want to save the data. I'm skipping that now. You'll also want to expose the port. The default JSON RPC port for node interaction is 3030, and I want to run bash inside it to interact with the node. Inside the container there's a neard binary. Let me check the version. All set. The near node is here, and it's time to initialize it for Localnet. I'll set the home folder inside /tmp/neard. That'll be our home folder. Let's initialize the node, creating a fresh set of configs in the specified folder, including the new network genesis JSON, node keys JSON, validator key JSON, and config JSON. We could review them, but we're not doing that now. I want to run the node immediately. Here it goes. Boom, it's running. With the node active, let me use a different terminal on the right and execute the curl command. At localhost port 3030, check the status endpoint. The status response indicates the node is running the version we're using. Great. There are 2 accounts on the network. How do we know? Open the network genesis JSON. It shows there are 4 records, 2 for accounts test.near and near account, and 2 access keys, 1 for each of those accounts. The access key is located in the public key for test near accounts. The public key starts with BJ, and you can see that it matches the validator key JSON key. We will use this secret key in the future. Let's run the node again. With everything set, we can install and use near CLI, but we need to configure it first to connect to the local net. Do it via config, add a connection, let's name it Localnet. Name choice doesn't matter much. Localnet serves as an alias for referencing this network from the CLI. We need to use http://localhost:3030 for the RPC endpoint. There's no wallet app configured for the Localnet, so it doesn't matter. Enter any random string. The Transaction Explorer endpoint is the same. Skipping them won't cause any issues. No API key is needed to access the RPC endpoint. There's no link drop contract or near social contract deployed here. This network lacks a faucet and meta transaction relayer and no fast near APIs. No staking pool factory, no staking pools, and no CoinGecko. Boom! The Localnet network connection is ready. Copy this command for future reference to quickly add this network to your local near CLI REST config on other machines. Now, we can use near CLI to gather information about the test.near account on Localnet, retrieve the list status for the fake local near tokens ready for use. Let's attempt to do something with the tokens. My account is test.near. I'm transferring near tokens to, for instance, the near account. I have to ensure it's on the Localnet, not the mainnet. We need to sign the transaction on behalf of test.near account, and for that we are using the plaintext private key from where we printed the validator key JSON. Let's go ahead and copy it over. Great, the tokens transfer transaction is successfully signed and we can send it to the network. The transfer is successful. See you in the next videos.